When we think of billionaires, we often imagine lavish lifestyles, extravagant spending, and luxury items. However, the real secret to their massive fortunes isn't their spending habits, it's their investments. Billionaires are masters of growing their wealth, and they've discovered the key to long-term financial success: smart, strategic investing. So what are the secrets to how they build and multiply their wealth? Let's break down the essential strategies that the world's richest people use to make their money work for them. 1. The power of compound interest, a wealth multiplier. One of the oldest and most effective secrets to building wealth is compound interest. Billionaires understand the value of allowing their investments to grow exponentially over time. Warren Buffett, often considered one of the greatest investors in history, has famously said that his wealth is the result of compound interest. Billionaires invest early and let their money grow, not just through returns, but through reinvestment. The earlier they start, the more time their investments have to compound, which makes a huge difference over decades. This principle is at the core of long-term wealth building. 2. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While billionaires certainly make large bets on successful ventures, they also know the importance of diversification. They spread their investments across different sectors and assets: stocks, real estate, venture capital, private equity, commodities, and more. Jeff Bezos, for instance, diversified his portfolio to include investments in technology startups, space exploration, and healthcare, which not only minimizes risk but maximizes the potential for profit. This diversification strategy reduces the impact of market volatility, ensuring that if one sector faces a downturn, others might compensate. Diversifying assets is one of the key strategies to protect and grow wealth over time. 3. Venture capital. Taking calculated risks. Billionaires are known for taking calculated risks, especially when it comes to venture capital. They often invest in startups and high-growth companies that have the potential to become the next big thing. This was the case for Mark Zuckerberg, who early on invested in companies like WhatsApp and Instagram, both of which eventually became major parts of Facebook's growth. The key here is not just throwing money into a startup, but doing it with a deep understanding of market trends and the innovation potential of these companies. Venture capital allows billionaires to scale their wealth quickly by backing companies that can experience exponential growth. 4. Real estate, the timeless asset. While tech stocks and startups may dominate the headlines, real estate remains one of the most tried and true ways billionaires build and maintain their wealth. Donald Trump, for example, made his fortune in real estate, leveraging strategic property investments in key locations around the world. Whether it's commercial properties, residential real estate, or large-scale developments, real estate offers both income generation through rents and appreciation as property values increase. Billionaires often have entire teams of advisors helping them spot undervalued properties or future hotspots, making real estate a cornerstone of their wealth-building strategy. 5. Investing in stocks, the foundation of billionaire portfolios. The stock market has always been a central part of how billionaires grow their wealth. While they may take more sophisticated and long-term approaches than the average investor, the stock market still offers massive opportunities. Buffett's strategy of buying shares in undervalued companies with long-term potential is a classic example. Investing in blue-chip stocks or growing sectors like technology allows billionaires to benefit from the compounding growth of these companies over time. However, they tend to buy stocks with a buy-and-hold mentality rather than trying to time the market or make short-term profits. 6. Private equity, taking control of businesses. Private equity investments allow billionaires to take control of businesses and grow them. Unlike public stocks, private equity deals allow for more influence over how the company is run. These investments often come with larger risks but can offer significant rewards. For example, private equity investments in companies like Uber and Airbnb have paid off massively for early investors. By investing in these companies when they're young and ripe for growth, billionaires can position themselves to make huge profits as the company matures and either goes public or gets acquired. 7. Hedge funds, a strategy for maximizing returns. Many billionaires also invest in hedge funds, which pool money from investors to invest in assets ranging from stocks to commodities. These funds often use leverage, short selling, and derivatives to generate returns that outperform the market. Hedge funds are more flexible and aggressive in their investment strategies compared to traditional mutual funds, and they're designed to bring in returns regardless of whether the market is up or down. For billionaires, hedge funds offer an avenue for making more aggressive plays, and because hedge funds often require high minimum investments, they provide an exclusive way for the ultra-wealthy to multiply their fortunes. 8. Tech and innovation. Betting on the future. Tech companies and innovative startups are perhaps the most popular investment areas for billionaires. With tech shaping the future of the global economy, billionaires are quick to back disruptive technologies that promise to revolutionize industries. Elon Musk's investments in Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink demonstrate how billionaires can not only make money, but also create entire industries. Investing in tech startups offers the potential for huge payoffs as companies scale rapidly. And many billionaires believe that betting on technology is one of the most reliable ways to secure their financial future. 9. Philanthropy as an investment strategy. While it may seem counterintuitive, philanthropy is also a part of many billionaires' wealth-building strategies. By donating large sums to charitable causes or establishing foundations, they often create positive tax impacts, influence public opinion, and solidify their legacy. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, for example, not only gives back to global causes, but also serves to improve their public image and reinforce their financial positioning. For many billionaires, philanthropy is an important investment in social capital, building a name, creating goodwill, and making a lasting impact in the world while also benefiting from the tax advantages associated with charitable giving. 10. Building a personal brand and influence. While it might not sound like a traditional investment strategy, many billionaires understand that building a personal brand and influence is crucial for maintaining and growing wealth. By becoming an authoritative figure in their industry, they open doors to new opportunities, investments, partnerships, and public recognition. Richard Branson, for instance, has used his Virgin brand to launch numerous business ventures across diverse industries. Having a recognizable and trusted personal brand allows billionaires to attract better opportunities, negotiate favorable terms, and leverage their fame for even greater success. The billionaire's path to wealth. The strategies that billionaires use to build their wealth may seem complex, but they share common themes: patience, diversification, calculated risk-taking, and a focus on long-term growth. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or startups, or taking calculated risks in emerging technologies, billionaires follow strategies that maximize the potential for exponential returns. They understand that their wealth doesn't come from what they spend, it comes from what they invest. By consistently making smart investment choices and being patient enough to let their wealth grow, billionaires achieve financial success that compounds over time. If you found these strategies useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights into the secrets of wealth building and financial success. We'll continue to dive deeper into how the world's richest people think, work, and invest.